do you have a lot of information? You have a lot of knowledge on what to do and stuff, possibilities and things that you can do, but you don't know what to do. You don't even know where to start. You're frustrated. I'm here to tell you that you have analysis paralysis, and I'm going to show you how to fix it. Man, I feel like all of us went through this. I feel like all of us went through this. So me being here, I did the study, and I'm gonna show y'all this book. I got the answer out of this book, and I'm gonna bless y'all with it real quick. So whatever the thing that caused analysis paralysis. Analysis. What is analysis? It's when you analyze, you overanalyze. And paralysis is when you can't move, you can't make a decision. Analysis, paralysis, you're over analyzing information and it's keeping you stuck because you can't make a decision. And what is a decision? A decision is something when you make a choice, you make a decision to do something, you cut off all the other option and you choose one. That's what a decision is. And the reason why you can't move is because you're flooded with information. Too much information, you don't know what to do. All of the informations are good. Bro, at this point, I'm going to tell you exactly what I would do. What I wish I would have done, because it's what I ended up doing later on down the line. Go for a walk. Clear your mind. Take a break. Go for a walk, bro. Take a little break. Take a little break. And then when you come back, just take one step forward. Oh, these mosquitoes, bro. Damn, yo, these mosquitoes crazy. You take one step forward. Damn. Ow. Yo, these mosquitoes crazy, bro. These mosquitoes crazy. So yeah, take one step forward, bro. And the thing is, you don't have to have it all figured out. Sometimes we get into things and we feel like, yo, we gotta figure it all out. Like, I gotta know exactly what I'm doing. And if I don't know how and when and where and all these things that our logical mind want us to figure out before we doing things. I'm not saying don't plan, bro. There's nothing wrong with having a plan. But, bro, the best discoveries, they always come unexpected anyways. Like, even me blowing up on YouTube, the video that's gonna blow me up, it's gonna come unexpected. Like, you never know, bro. You never know. Like, it's good to just leave stuff. Just welcome all the possibilities, bro. And just take, as long as you're doing the thing and you're consistent. I don't know what it is you're struggling with or what it is. But I'm using YouTube, for example. Stop over analyzing, bro. And just do what you already know. The information that you already have, just use it. And stop overloading your brain with information that you're not using. You get what I'm saying? You can plan, bro, but you gotta leave room for experiment. Like, you can plan. I'm not saying don't come up with a plan, but leave room for experiment, bro. And you gotta be able to expect surprises, and not everything need to be planned, bro. Really, for real. Not everything need to be planned. You can just expect surprises. Serendipity. Those are always the best. And just have an open, wide mind. Don't close your mind and be like, this gotta work. This is the video that's gonna blow up. No, bro. You never know which one. The more seed you put in the garden, the better it is, bro. I don't care if I gotta do 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 YouTube video until I blow up. I don't care. I'm gonna get on here, I'm gonna pick this phone up, and I'm gonna record a video, I'm gonna title it, I'm gonna drop it. I don't care. Because I know it's either I blow up now, or when I'm big and I'm a superstar out there, all these videos are still gonna get views later on. It don't matter, bro. So stop overanalyze and just look at everything you do as a seed in your future. And one of those seeds are gonna bear fruit, bro. I hope this video bless you. Peace.